when removing the instrument hood on a Mazda MX5 NA. First time I did it carefully as the YouTube video suggested, and I managed to break all three of them off. So I put it back together. I looked online to buy another one, and it's hard to get one complete from the wreckers as well. And the advice was to get a new one, but I decided to use JB Weld to glue the broken ones back on, and I hereby declare that it was successful, because I've had to pull the dash apart again soon after, and it didn't break. But there is one extra thing that I did do, and that was I put grease on each of those slots, fittings, whatever they're called. There, I can show you on here where they slide on. I just put a touch of grease. So I had no trouble getting it off again. It didn't break them off, and I pulled the hood directly back towards me, just wiggling it every which way very gently, and it slipped off fine. So I'm very happy with that, and happy to share that tip with you. Good luck with your NA Mazda MX5 hood removal and replacement.